In this tutorial, you'll learn how to further customize your Agent Studio website. Customization is very important for your online presence because it's the first impression your customers will get upon visiting your Agent Studio website. You'll want to ensure you brand your website with your business colors. For example, if your logo is blue and green, you can accent the rest of your website with those color schemes as well to create a professional and uniform look. If you visit the Design tab of your Agent Studio control panel, you'll then access the Appearance section. There are extensive options you can enhance through customization. Once you're in the Appearance section of the Design tab, the first option you'll see is Themes. In this section, you can select the overall color scheme for your website, the layout. Some of our newest themes include Arrival, RS Type, Cerulean Curl. We have quite a selection of themes for you to choose from. Once you've found the theme that you like that fits your business branding and the appropriate layout, you'll hit Save Theme. The next section you'll see is Customize Look and Feel. In this section, you can select the colors for your header and for your navigation and footer. In each section, we have a preview box so that you can see exactly what you're changing. So to change each color, you'll simply click into the white box, and you can select any color from the gradient you see here. Once you've found your color, you can simply hit Select, and you'll see in the preview box that that example had changed. You can go through and do this for every option we have available and really make it unique to your brand. You can do the same thing with navigation and footer. Again, in your preview box, you can see exactly what you're changing. The next section of content that you can change is for all of the main content on your website. This includes the main information under promotions, under news, all of the main content that your customer will be reading. This is where you'll change that information. If you'd like a different background as opposed to the one that's provided with the theme, you can select your own custom background here. There are some simple styles you can add instead, from filigree to paper to pinstripe. If you don't like that, you can come back and change this at any time. If you have your own custom background to upload, you select Upload My Own Background. After you've selected the option you wish to choose for the front end of your website, you'll simply hit Save Look and Feel. The easiest way to ensure your changes are taking place is to have your front end open in a tab next to your control panel. This way you can see your changes in real time, and you can tell if you like something, you can go right back and change it. So having these two tabs open next to each other will be super helpful for you to tell if you like your progress. And if not, no worries, you can come right back here, and with a click of a button, you can change what you think you might want to further enhance. When you visit a website frequently, you'll want to ensure that your changes are being updated in your browser. Sometimes your browser can cache old information. You may want to routinely clear your browser cache to see that you're seeing your updated work. This can happen when you visit your website frequently. Your browser will store older information. This is the best way to ensure that you're viewing current information on your front end. If you need the instruction on how to clear your cache, please visit our Help Center in the Support section of your control panel.